Let me ask you something. What if the woman you're angry at right now, the one you call mother-in-law, was once exactly like you? Young, hopeful, full of dreams, waiting for someone to love her, protect her, and choose her. But time changed her. Now listen carefully. A mother-in-law is a mother-in-law. A daughter-in-law is a daughter-in-law. But both are women. Both are hearts. Both are stories. And every story has pain. I am a daughter-in-law, but I should not brag thinking, I will prove I'm better than her. I will win this house. I will defeat her authority. Because one day, I too will become her. Yes, one day, I will be the mother-in-law, standing in the same doorway, watching another woman love my son. Will I want her to disrespect me, ignore me, replace me? Think from the heart, not the ego. That mother-in-law, she once carried your husband in her womb for 9 painful months. She slept on one side so he could breathe. She walked slowly so he could grow. She prayed every second for him to live. And now just because you're in his life, should she suddenly become useless? No, never. But here's the truth that nobody says out loud. A home does not break because of a mother-in-law. It breaks when the son forgets to balance love. He forgets that the wife came later, but the mother came first. He forgets that the wife loves him as a man, but the mother loved him before he existed. And you, my sister, my friend, you came into this house only months or years ago. Don't throw away years of motherhood for minutes of misunderstanding. Just because she sometimes scolds you or speaks without thinking, don't reply with pride. Reply with grace. Say, yes, Mom, I understand. Even if she is wrong today, your kindness will melt her tomorrow. Because every mother eventually realizes, this girl is my son's happiness. Life is not a battleground. Marriage is not a competition. Home is not a courtroom. It's a garden. It needs balance, water, patience, kindness. Fire cannot grow flowers, but water, even a drop of it, brings life. So if she is fire, then you become water, not weaker, wiser. Remember this, you do not lose anything by bending a little. You do not become smaller by showing respect. You become greater. And when you become a mother-in-law one day, you will pray, God, send me a daughter-in-law as patient as I was. Don't say, my husband earns this much. My husband loves me more. My husband takes my side. Never forget, your husband is her blood, her child, her heartbeat. One day, he may go back to his mother's arms when life becomes too heavy. Don't let that day be filled with regret. If you want a peaceful home, a happy marriage, a life full of joy, then listen. You don't need a big house. You need a big heart. You don't need vacations. You need peace in one room. You don't need the perfect family. You just need humans who forgive. So yes, a mother-in-law is a mother-in-law. A daughter-in-law is a daughter-in-law. But both are women. Both are hearts. Both are stories. And every story has pain. If your mother-in-law does not show love, still love her. Not because she deserves it today, but because she is the mother of the man you love. If you respect her, you are respecting your future self, because time always comes full circle. In the end, remember this. A home is built not by bricks, but by hearts that bend, words that heal, and love that stays. So tell me, dear friend, what do you think? Did this message touch your heart? Comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more heart-touching thoughts.